Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Today is December the 29th, 2020. This year is just flying on by. I hope that you guys are well. I am the work at home job queen, and today, of course, I'm here to share some amazing work at home job opportunities with you guys. As always, let's get the housekeeping out of the way. Make sure you sign up to the email newsletter. Link in the description box down below. All you do is come over and enter your email where it says get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Okay. Enter your email and click send me new leads. Also, make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. If you're looking for a community of people who are like-minded, who also work from home, and you can network, and also, you people can tell you about different opportunities that are currently hiring that I may or may not know about. Okay. Let's go ahead and get into it. There are some amazing opportunities that you guys really need to run and apply to right now. Okay. Now, this company right here, which is called EY, you definitely need to run and apply to this one. This is $25 per hour, you guys. They're looking for inbound call center representatives. Of course, this is a work at home position. 25 bucks an hour. They do pay you for training, and they also send you a laptop. Now, with this company, what you'll be doing, you'll be working with several different state governments to assist people with questions in regards to the COVID-19 vaccine, as well as unemployment claim questions, and et cetera, et cetera. There may be some other positions up in there, but those will be the two gist of the positions. Now, their application process is a little bit different than others, so just make sure you're paying attention when you're going over there. There will be a video that you will be presented with after you enter in your information, and then you can proceed from there. Make sure you join the Work at Home Lounge, though, if you're interested, because there are people who went through the process and they can, kind of explain a little bit better because they went through the processes and they know how to set up their interview situation and all that stuff. So make sure you join the group, okay? Also, Accenture is still looking for unemployment claims customer service agents. You guys, this is so disheartening. There are thousands and thousands of people in the United States right now who are unemployed. So, of course, they need people to answer the customer service calls from the unemployed applicants. For example, here in my city, they actually closed the unemployment office, and you actually have to make an appointment to speak with someone. So they have hired like thousands of people to work from home to take these customer service calls. Okay. This is $18 per hour. Now, it does say it is a 3-month contract, but from my understanding, it has been extended to up to 12 months because of the high volume of unemployment applicants. So $18 per hour. Of course, this is 100% work from home. And also, I think they send you a laptop as well. Okay. So again, the two companies are EY and Accenture. Next up is Tesla. I've shared this one with you guys before. This is a $19 per hour customer support specialist position. Yes, $19 per hour. So yes, I've said 18, 25, and now we have a $19 position. Now, with this one, of course, you'll be providing customer support for Tesla customers. This is 100% work from home. It is full-time, 19 bucks per hour. Run, do not walk, and apply. This link usually doesn't last this long. I think they're probably maybe out of the office or something for the holidays. Not sure. So definitely run and get your application in while the link is still active. All right. Also, you have Mod Squad. They're looking for customer support agents to work from home for an innovative healthcare insurance provider. So they're looking for up to 100 customer support professionals to work on a 5-day blitz project at a competitive rate. Now, they don't have their pay rate listed, unfortunately, but once you are invited to an interview, of course, they will disclose all of that to you. Now, orientation is paid. It starts January the 11th through January the 13th from 9 until 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. Now, there will be a 4-hour shift minimum that is required. 8 hours is preferred, but you can do 4-hour shifts at minimum. Okay. Again, the pay rate will be discussed for that one. Also, there are tons of other companies that are hiring. Remember, you do not have to stay under today's date. You can go and scroll as long as the link still works. That means they are still hiring. For example, this is December the 20th. And of course, Virtual Vicky is still hiring virtual assistants to work from home. So come in and scroll, you guys. Don't just stay under today's date, because you're doing yourself a disservice if you only stay under today's date. So come, scroll, see who's still hiring, and if the link still works, you can apply, okay? Make sure that you come and sign up to the email newsletter. Remember, all you do is put your email where it says get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge. It is free $99. It doesn't cost you a dime. Just make sure that your account is not new. You answer the 3 questions when prompted, and also make sure you have a photo, okay? Because it helps me weed out spammers and people who are potentially blocked for whatever reason. So make sure that you do those things in order to get into the group, and I will accept you within 24 hours, okay? I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.